In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add session time price opportunity, quick and easy, inside Tradingview. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market and time frame you actually want to analyze. It's always best to set this up on the chart you use the most, so you can really take advantage of the tool once it's added. To get started, move your mouse to the top of the chart and click on the Indicators button. This is the main hub where you'll find all the tools and overlays you can add to your chart. If you don't see it right away, it's usually along the top toolbar above the price action. Clicking Indicators will open a new panel where everything is grouped and organized. Inside that panel, look for the section labeled Technicals and click on it. This section contains all of the technical tools that can be added to your chart, including indicators, overlays, and profile tools. By going into Technicals, you're narrowing things down so it's easier to find exactly what we're looking for. Next, inside the Technicals section, select Profiles. Profiles are a special category that focus on how price and volume are distributed over time. This is where you'll typically find tools like Volume Profile, Market Profile style indicators, and in our case, the Session Time Price Opportunity option. Clicking Profiles tells Tradingview you're interested in this class of tools. Once you're inside Profiles, look for the option called Session Time Price Opportunity and click on it. As soon as you do, Tradingview will add it to your chart. You should see a new visual overlay that highlights opportunities based on session time and price levels. If you want to customize how it looks, you can usually hover over the indicator name on your chart, open its settings, and adjust colors, visibility, or other parameters to match your style and make it easier to read. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart to see how this indicator behaves across different sessions and timeframes. The goal is to get comfortable with how it displays information so you can quickly spot areas of interest when you're trading or backtesting. If you find this tool helpful and you want to unlock more advanced features on Tradingview, consider upgrading to a Pro plan using the affiliate link in the description. It's a great way to support the channel while getting access to more indicators, layouts, and quality of life features that make charting smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to do to add session time price opportunity in Tradingview.